of December 2006. Haragei by Eleazar Harash, translated by Ruah Ezekiel, narrated by Daniel King. Haragei is a Japanese word, a special word. I was planning to talk about it a lot, but I think this small bit will be enough for now. In time, if we must, we will dedicate at least one lecture to it. The word haragei is Japanese, and it means to capture the essence. First, haragei means mastering the internal energy. The mastered energy turns into a concealed explosion, concealed light, with which the difficulties and dangers in life are penetrated. So this energy is sharper. It can penetrate the hardships. The Master says hardships are living beings. This energy can penetrate haragei. The person is within haragei when they are in a state of pure and mastered energy. The true haragei is concentration, total concentration. This is similar to another Japanese technique, kaei, but we will speak of it another time. This is concentration. What does the word concentration mean, according to the initiates in Japan? The summoning of all internal powers, summoning the essence, all internal powers. Whoever has achieved this mastering of themselves and this concentration, they have haragei. The outpouring of this mighty energy, of course, it must be preserved greatly. Words must also be preserved greatly, so that in important moments of life, and especially when the whole of karma crashes upon you, you can penetrate this karma and forget about it. Haragei is mighty, but concealed, internal, universal energy. Haragei surpasses absolutely every weapon. Haragei, this is the art of concentrating your essence, of capturing your own essence, the whole of your power, but this requires a very supreme consciousness. Haragei is a radiation of an extraordinary energy. The very deep breathing is also penetrating into haragei. It is entering into the reservoirs of the key energy. Haragei is called the ancient whirl by the initiates. It is connected to purity, and purity is a dragon, a primordial fire. Haragei is a fire completely made divine within the person, and so haragei is a door towards the boundlessness. Haragei is the concealed divine activity, what was called Sekhem in Egypt, the ancient power. Through it, the initiates created their own temple. With haragei, with this energy made divine, time is removed. It is penetrated and removed, i.e., it is already of no matter. The completeness of this pure energy is also the connection to your own spirit and to God. Haragei is connected to the fifth, sixth, and seventh dimension. Fifth dimension means a very supreme aware and sacred spirituality, even though in this case, compared to the sixth and seventh dimension, the fifth is the lowest. But we shall speak of this another time, if we have to, because the matter is of deeper and deeper truths. But deeper truths, as you know, can be a big evil as well. So we present them carefully with measure, whatever may help the person but not hinder them. Deep truths are a big evil. Of course, the matter is about the unprepared person, and because the supreme reality is very, very demanding. This is why haragei is very difficult to achieve, and Zen masters and other masters do not reveal it easily at all, but this remains one of the most important things. And so, haragei is the attainment of divinity itself, and the attainment of divinity, i.e., if the person has embarked on this way, it will crush all the obstacles. God himself acts with haragei, with his ancient power. In the Bible, in the book of Job, it is said, "He cutteth out rivers among the rocks." So, he cuts, he creates space, he creates rivers among the rocks. Om.